Hey guys, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Guided. This is Aditya. Big congratulations to all the candidates, those who have cleared OICL AO. The final result is out. So if you will check on the official website as well as on my Telegram group, I have shared this particular list. So here you have the notice for the pre-medical test. ये आपका pre-employment medical test है for the provisionally selected candidates. That what are the terms and conditions regarding this? I'll make a separate video on this in the upcoming days, tomorrow itself. एंड हियर यू हैव द लिस्ट. अगर आपका नाम लिस्ट में, इट मींस यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द इंटरव्यू आपने पास कर लिया है एंड नाउ यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड. बस आपका मेडिकल होना है नाउ and you will be working with the OICL in the upcoming days. So big congratulations from my side. Those who have missed by a small margin, guys, you're already either working with some other organization, because I know that most of the working people have applied for OICL. Or else, if you are not working anywhere, you are already very close to the selection. The upcoming notifications are there in front of you. Utilize them. Prepare well. Definitely you will get selected soon. So those who have selected, do write in the comment box. I will be waiting for your messages in the Telegram as well. All the best from my side for your bright future with the OICL. And don't worry about this privatization and all. कुछ लोग जरूर आपको बोलेंगे अरे वो प्राइवेट हो सकता है. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है प्राइवेट. सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. All the best for your bright future, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.